A UGOT Robotic Kit is a modular robotics kit that allows you to build a variety of robots, from simple walkers to complex humanoids. It is designed for beginners and experienced builders alike. The kit includes a central controller, a variety of motors, sensors, and attachments, and an app for programming and controlling your robot. You can also use the app to share your creations with others. The UGOT Robotic Kit is currently on Kickstarter. The early bird price is $199. The kit is expected to ship in December 2023. Here are some of the features of the UGOT Robotic Kit. Modular design. The kit is made up of interchangeable parts, so you can customize your robot to your liking. Powerful AI. The kit includes a powerful AI processor that allows your robot to learn and adapt. Easy to program. The app makes it easy to program your robot, even if you don't have any prior coding experience. Shareable creations. The app allows you to share your creations with others, so you can inspire and learn from each other. If you are interested in robotics, the UGOT Robotic Kit is a great way to get started. It is a versatile and affordable kit that can be used to build a variety of robots. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.